just a quick heads up, most of the video or partial of the video, the front part is shot vertically. So if you see the video vertical, just let it play. The further the video goes, it will become horizontal. So yeah, keep that in mind. And with that said, let's start. So I'm finally not using a vertical video, so I'm gonna make Milo right here. I mean, we're gonna use it for like hot water. I'm not sure if I don't recommend you guys using it. I guess it was. Here's about this. Go ahead and blend it. I usually like to blend them at section and not all at once. As for this, I recommend just blending every few times after you add some water or things in it to make it smoother and blend better. And then when you're done with it, just blend everything together like right now, and it should be all good, and shake it a bit. So basically I finished it. It was pretty good. It's creamy and really good. So this combination of Milo is really good. As I say, I'm not sure if this is rated for hot water. It doesn't have anything saying that it does, so I would advise you not to do like me, I guess. And yeah, this was made to blend juice, so I still got the attachment here. So this is to filter out those juice chunks that have not blend smoothly. So yeah. Well, I was thinking I should start shooting this on the post-production me, yeah, I didn't use it at all because I don't feel like it. So yeah, I'll be blending some more ice, and that time I'll record for you guys. Maybe we'll be now with it. We'll have to see. Just putting this to test. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna show you. First, this is the seller that I bought it from, so there's no guarantee what box and what contains inside if it has a different seller. Keep that in mind. So this was supposed to be inserted in the camera. So okay, here's the speaker, motor DC 3.6 volt, process is 22,000 RPM, 32,000 and underload 15,000. That's really fast. Batteries, don't look at the batteries, probably use about 3 power, so for one time you use you can only blend things like 2 or 3 times, but you really need to charge up, you won't do anything. Let's say you just want to blend water, then it's oh my, no ice, just Milo. I'm not sure you can use hot water. Yeah, I'll tell you guys about it. 90 seconds, that's about it. And okay, and it's amount. And because I use it, it's not even right at all. And 150 millimeters. Then I'll use it on down here, just like the big, so it's not really promise. So yeah, this piano. So this is one of the books, right? 380 ml. Drop tips, just kidding. That's one. Yeah, this is basically it. And it comes with instruction. I'm not sure if I recorded the part, not recording now. Finally, I got it off. So this one, right? This one. And then, where's I got the instruction paper? You stop filming, what do you do? Delete that now, is it? Now you can just pause the video if you want to read. I'll just put a full photo on it so you can read. Just pause the video. Right? Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. So I got a blender here. I just blend it with some normal clean water, so it should be cleaner. Every time you use, you should at least clean a bit. So yeah, so you blend it. Yeah, it holds about this much ice because it's literally 3 in the morning. You definitely need to add at least like 100 millimeters or just 50 millimeters. I'm not sure how much it is. Probably 50 since the maximum is 380. So yeah, I mean you're gonna pour some water and then blend it, and after you blend, make it sure that it's actually fine, and then you put more ice. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll show you some time. The battery is not like strong enough. It's just light red color, as you can see. So see, it's not turning, and then just light red. That means you need to either make it easier under the blades or just don't push the motor. So this is basically what it means is it sucks and it needs to be charged again after you only blend it like 5 times, even though it has 2000 mAh battery. Lord. Yeah. to this, and remember to always cover this thing because it's really important. Although the cover they provided is not good, or it's gonna come off anytime. See, it means it's either running out of battery or it's just not strong enough. So yeah, they probably will provide you with instructions so you can read of them. I didn't really read much of it, but I'm sure I will in these 7 days. So yeah, I'll show you the progress once I'm done with it. Done. Please blend well.
Woohoo, yay! I didn't even use it for over 7 days. I only used it for 3 or 4 days, constantly like 5 times, and I got bored of it and I have no use for it. So it's alright. At least I can provide you with information. Deal with it.
Hello, so I'm gonna use this phone to record this. Since my current phone is charging, so I placed some banana slice and some mango slice from here. And I added some milk, so let's see how it do, and some ice cube up there. So let's see. I already blended ice and that remover just now. I just didn't record it. Didn't feel like it. And yeah, it actually get hot here. Last time I mentioned it was the bottom, and now it's the side. And today is day 5, cause those 2 days or day 6 I think. I haven't been recording for 2 days cause they are nothing. I didn't even use it. But the cleaning process is really easy. Since the last time I drink, which is day 3 Ribena, I didn't even wash it. I left it for 2 days and then today I washed it. So yeah, it actually washed very well. You just press this and then it wash for you.
Yeah, surprisingly it washed really well.
It's
I
quite
didn't
noisy,
expect
so yeah.
that, but since it's a blender after all.
So as you can see, there's something going around. When it turns red, it means that it's thinking it need to stop. So it's gonna stop and you need to press it. So yeah, then you press double the time again. Yeah, you guys, it's like best advice is to sideways to make sure, and then every once in a while just check the whole water. It may actually helps. Then I think it's actually done. Well, let's see how fine it is. I'm gonna put it out. So give me a moment. Finally, we're using it for its intended purposes, Lamau. So yeah, so here's the juice. There's some slice there. It's pretty good actually. So, banana slice. So let's test it out. I'm not sure if it's good or not. Yeah, you definitely can taste the chunks. It's actually pretty good. You actually can taste the milk. If you are not always on the go, which I assume you are not. I mean, obviously you are because you're buying a portable wine. So this is basically what the blender you'll be using. Because this one is obviously better and it's using a conventional plug.
Alright, it's obviously better.
So, yeah,
it's more power, more stronger, more
it's a
twerk,
lot stronger
and finer
and spin a lot
taste.
better. So you basically
yeah,
will
just
get
use
crushed
this.
ice with this. So you can see you can just get crushed ice and berries. This one from Oyster brand, but I'm not really sure. I didn't really use it a lot, but the times I use it, it did pretty well. So yeah, it depends on you. Well, after that, one thing for certain, it's creamy. Okay. Well, that's all for today. Day 6, I think. I'll write it down on editing. So yeah. So I just figured I never really show you the progress or the how I clean it.
Well, I'm just gonna show you how. I'll quick explain. Yeah, sorry for the bad video quality. Low light with ultra wide cam is just bad. Well, it's just how I watch, so you can change your method. The most important thing when blending is make sure that the black cover for the micro USB charger is actually covered by the black rubber because it actually comes out itself every once in a while.
So I am back to add this segment. Surprisingly, I forget to record the noise. I remember I did, so I don't know where. This is 2 months ago, so let's just use this. I'm gonna stop talking, and this is the sound test. Alright, that is the sound safety tab. Where nothing is going on, it's gonna stop itself. It spins about like 20,000 RPM, so yeah, that is how it sounds. So camera on. So as you can see, I already upgraded the camera. I'm using a new camera I got. I don't need to get to the technical spec for you guys, but yeah, as you can see, the blender is still here. It's still not being used because I find no use for it, but the weather in Malaysia is quite hot these days, so it could work for you guys. But I haven't used it for like 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm like lazy in editing the damn video. I'm reviewing the video because all the video I captured I already forget what I did. So yeah, I'm just checking out and arranging them in correct orders. But yeah, it's still doing alright. It's really loud. If I'm not wrong, I recorded some audio stuff in it, so that should be fine. And just in case I didn't mention, I figured I may as well say the rubber on the bottom right here, as you can probably see, it's really thin. So after like repeated use, it probably will not be watertight anymore, and the water will start leaking. And yeah, also the battery cover right here, as you can see, this one just sucks. I mean, it literally just sucks. Don't use it, guys. It just sucks. So beware of that. Just make sure water doesn't get in. What I advise you to do is, as you can see, you just press down on this first. As you can see, press on the cover and then press this, and then just use your hand and bigger them both in, and there you go. They're both in it. So that's how I usually do, and it still sometimes come out. So yeah, it's cheap stuff. It's similar to BlendJet, except it's kind of suck ass. And yeah, the bottom also get really hot if you like use it a lot. So yeah, it needs to cool down. So I would say about 2 blends a day or 3 blends a day, and you need to charge it once, which took about 2-3 hours from what I remember from the review that I recorded like 2 months ago. So yeah, I'll see you after. I'll be adding this in the video later. So yeah, and I'm too lazy to sync audio or to have external audio devices since this camera doesn't have an audio jack. So yeah, see you.